we got some Bosch Icon wiper blades for you. There they are. I haven't really been a fan of these style wiper blades, but I've heard nothing but good things in the comments about the Boschnian Icons, so we're gonna give them a go. Let's put on gloves for no reason. These are gloves from putting everything together in the Avalonian, and they did not rip. Very nice. We're liking these. These are better than what I used at Honda for sure. Grease Bully. So we got a Michelin and a Rando wiper. Let me show you what they're currently doing. It's a little rough. It smells so nice in here. So clean. So, yeah. That's, doesn't sound too healthy. I'm gonna go ahead and stop them right about there. Okay. That'll do. Easy enough. Counts. Long boy, squeeze. Righto. Okay. Slide you on through here. Come on, Daryl. There she goes. A little bit of wiggle. Not too bad. I got a tabby poo. There she goes. All right. Okay. That looks a little off. Might adjust that. Let's see. Yeah. Still sounds rough. You know what? Is it hitting the hood? Ah! No. Oh, that might be in the linkage there. Okay. Yeah, bud. I think we got some warm links in there. You can see the wipers hitting right there. Hitting right there. Yeah. Little play in the linkage. What is that? 14 teen? U. Take that from ya. Take that from ya. Oh, let's just angle this. That let go real easy. We're gonna sit ya right about chair. See how that goes. Double tap. And for you, how about something like that right chair? Triple tap on that one. Let's try that out. Better? Oh. What? I'm sorry, I'm just kind of baffled right now. Okay, let's put it to high, whatever, we'll leave it on. What just happened, boys? Hello? Oh. Well, that's too loose. I'm watching you. It still doesn't quite go as far as I would like. Okay. All right. Well, I think the wiper motor's going out because it went off as soon as I jiggled this. So the motor might have a dead spot in it. Wiggling it kind of makes it, yeah, find its happy place. And she starts going. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. So, looks like I'm gonna be looking at some wiper motors along with the linkage, because there's definitely play in there. Interesting. Okie dokie. Let's peek a gander under there. Come on. Come on. Come with me. I'll sit you down. You want to come out relatively easily? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you do. A little clip-a-chini right there. Come on. Come with me. Alright. Sneak you out there, bud. Hey, bud. You getting sad? Little metal shavings in there, bud. So, lights on my head. Linkage. There she is. Yep. So, right under the motor, there's a joint, little cap, kind of like this. And, yeah, she's definitely worn out. Interesting. What's going on here, bud? Very nice. Little tappy tap here. Little tappy tappy make you happy? Well, she's definitely working right now. Intermittent wiper issue going on here. Very interesting. Well, that's not what I wanted. Hey, there's the air filter, bud. Huh. Probably put a little mesh cover over that there air filter. She's just open. Okay. Guess we'll be keeping an eye on that. Look at the prices of a wiper motor, but that's looking to me like that motor is about to take a permanent nappy nap. So we got a circuit diagram right here, buds. Can we look at her full screen? Yes, we can. Front wiper and washer switch. So that's the switch on the steering wheel. Got the washer motor here. Got a 25 amp fuse. So that's obviously good since it is working intermittently. Can't be a blown fuse. The only relay that I'm seeing is inside the front wiper motor right here. So, we got good power and ground. We got a good fuse. The switch seems to be working properly. So, we're thinking the front wiper motor. Not trying to put too many dollar bucks into this thing, but wipers are kind of important. So, yeah. Well, hold on. We'll go ahead and update you with that. I think this is a little broken. Yeah, she is. We're gonna have to fix that. Anyway, final surprise diagnosis hypothesis. She needs a wiper motor. There's an internal relay in there, but I think it's actually the motor itself. Pretty sure it has a dead spot, because every once in a while it doesn't want to go. I think it lands on that dead spot and can't get voltage to the motor properly and can't spin until I jiggle it, and then it starts going. So, Simba? Fuck you, Larry. Fuck you.